polémico.
What if I told you there's a place in Madrid that completely transforms after sunset, where the lights take over and the city feels more alive than ever before? This is Tripinn, exploring the world, one breathtaking place at a time. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the journey. And today, we're walking through the most iconic street of Madrid, Gran Vía, a place where history, nightlife, and energy collide, right in the heart of the city. As the sun slowly disappears behind the skyline, Gran Vía begins its transformation. The golden hour here feels almost unreal. Historic buildings glow in warm tones, and every corner starts to feel cinematic. This street, built in the early 20th century, connects Madrid's rich past with its vibrant present. And just when the daylight fades, the real magic quietly begins. As night takes over, Gran Via reveals its true identity. Often called the Spanish Broadway, this street is lined with theaters, cinemas, and iconic landmarks. From the stunning Metropolis building to glowing neon signs that light up the skyline. Every structure tells a story. Every light adds to the rhythm of the city. And as cars move through the avenue, their reflections create a mesmerizing urban flow.
Yeah, I started doing those. Remember that?
But Gran Via isn't just about the view, it's about the feeling. The energy here is impossible to ignore. Street performers gather attention with their talent. Cafes fill with conversations and laughter, and the streets buzz with life from every direction. Tourists and locals blend seamlessly, creating an atmosphere that feels both vibrant and authentic. This isn't just a street. This is Madrid in motion. But if you slow down for a moment, you'll notice something different. Beyond the bright lights and busy crowds, there's a quieter side waiting to be discovered. Soft street lamps, hidden corners, and small details that often go unnoticed. The footsteps, the shadows, the calm within the chaos. Sometimes the most beautiful moments aren't the loudest ones. As the night deepens, Gran Vía reaches its peak. The lights shine brighter, the streets grow louder, and the energy becomes unstoppable. This is where Madrid truly comes alive. Not just as a destination, but as an experience you can feel in every moment. Every second here feels alive. Every step becomes part of the story.
What is it? Right?
Madrid doesn't just show you its beauty, it makes you feel it. And Gran Vía is where that feeling begins. If you enjoyed this walk with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, because the world is full of incredible places, and we're just getting started.
Te enseñan ahí a rezar. Antes vas como una capilla. No, no te pases, ¿qué?